Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to post a link on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Post option. Make sure you have copied the link that you want to post. Then tap and hold on the screen. And then select Paste option. Once you're done, tap on the Post button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can post a link on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.